everybody, welcome to my fictitious laboratory where today we're going to look at some ant pupae that I found in my yard. If you like this type of video, please like and subscribe. But for now, let's get started.
So here you can see the ant pupae at 40 times magnification. You may be an avid entomologist who studies all types of insects, or more likely, you're just interested in seeing what the heck an ant pupae looks like. Ants generally have 4 parts in their life cycle: egg, larva, pupae, and adult, where they become a queen, a female worker ant, or a male drone. The unfertilized eggs become males, and the fertilized eggs become either worker ants or queens, depending on nourishment while growing. The pupae are see-through, which can be seen especially well when I change the lighting on the microscope. You can see through their entire bodies, and the pigmentation won't occur until they become adults with hard exoskeletons. I did find out, however, that this type of ant pupae is more rare than the other type, where the ant spins a cocoon around itself until it is an adult. One interesting aspect of ant lives that may be unknown to some is that there are some species of ants that have a symbiotic relationship with fungi, where the ants will cultivate fungi in their homes, and the fungi in return will provide food for the ants. Here at 400 times magnification, you can actually see the cells in the head of the pupae. These cells will end up forming some of the 250,000 brain cells in each ant, as well as some of the nervous systems of the pupae. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to the channel to see more cool things under a microscope. Also, please leave a comment on what you want to see next.